Assalamualaikum. This video is my requirements in business intelligence and analysis. After I watched the YouTube videos, there is one question. The question is, discuss what happened to Nokia based on their CEO interview. How will BI be applied to this case and in what way? Will the fate of Nokia be reversed? Explain in detail. So, in interviews with former CEO Ole-Pekka Kalasbo, the decline of Nokia is frequently attributed to a series of strategic errors and organizational challenges. The key issues included Nokia's slow response to the shift from the feature phones to smartphones, and its failure to quickly adopt touchscreen technology. Kalasbo might reflect on how Nokia's initial reliance on the Symbian operating system and its later, less successful partnership with Microsoft to adopt Windows Phone were significantly mistakes. These decisions, combined with internal inefficiencies and a bureaucratic structure that slowed decision-making, contributed to Nokia's inability to compete effectively with rivals like Apple and Samsung. The company's failure to anticipate market trends and innovate rapidly left it struggling against more agile competitors who set new standards for technologies and user experience. Applying business intelligence to Nokia's situation could offer critical insights for reversing its decline. BI tools can analyze historical performance data, market trends, and consumer preferences to uncover the reasons behind Nokia's strategic missteps. By benchmarking against competitors, BI can highlight gaps in Nokia's technology and market positioning. Additionally, BI can identify inefficiencies in operations and suggest areas for improvement. For Nokia to turn its fortune around, it would need to leverage BI to make data-driven decisions, embrace contemporary technologies, and innovate continuously, rebuilding its brand and effectively engaging with customers based on BI-driven insights would also be essential for regaining market share and establishing a competitive edge. That's all. Thank you.